Changing the email link to your American Express account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Services section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. You will see your current email address displayed. Enter your new email address in the provided field and double-check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new email is linked to your account. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting American Express customer support for assistance.